Are you planning to increase the efficiency of your pump drive and have an outdated variable speed fluid coupling in place? Especially in partial load operation, these variable speed fluid couplings are very low in efficiency due to their hydraulic losses. To address this challenge, SET has engineered a highly efficient and matching solution, the SETCON variable speed gearbox. The retrofit process is straightforward and typically takes between 14 to 20 days. For preparation, the two shaft couplings and any connected oil piping of the fluid coupling must be disassembled. Afterwards, the fluid coupling, including its integrated lube and working oil system, is lifted off the skid. The lube oil cooler can be reused, while the working oil system is not required anymore and can be shut down. The SETCON gearbox will be installed on the same position than the replaced fluid coupling, using the same anchor points. SETCON has a matching footprint with the majority of fluid coupling types, which reduces downtime essentially. SETCON utilizes highly compact, low-voltage frequency converters from well-known brands. Only maximum 20% of total pump power is required to control the two servo motors sufficiently. The compact design of the cabinet significantly simplifies on-site implementation and cooling requirements. Furthermore, SETCON features an integrated lube oil system that supplies oil to the internal gears. Additionally, it delivers lube oil to external components such as the pump and main motor bearings. A key advantage of the SETCON system is that the existing main motor can be reused and continues to operate at constant speed. In contrast, medium-voltage VFD solutions typically require a new motor due to challenges such as inadequate winding insulation and compatibility issues. Reusing the fixed-speed main motor also offers advantages for an optional booster pump configuration. Since the main motor continues to run at a constant speed, there is no need for any adjustments at the booster pump. This contrasts with medium-voltage VFD systems, where typically a constant-speed pony motor for the booster pump is required. SETCON does not only simplifies retrofitting but also delivers the highest efficiency among variable speed systems on the market. Especially in partial load operation, the SETCON system shows a remarkable efficiency performance. So are you ready to boost your efficiency? We are looking forward to get in touch with you.